Just ahead of the holiday rush, as you mentioned, Toys R Us did file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy late last night. A company spokesperson insisting to us this is a balance sheet issue, not a business issue with their overall operations as they seek to restructure more than $5 billion in total debt. Now, Toys R Us, they do have more than 1,600 stores around the globe. They employ more than 65,000 workers. They told us that could reach more than 100,000 workers during peak holiday season and that they're not planning to close any stores or have any layoffs during this restructuring process. We'll also take you through some important numbers for the company. In 2005, they were acquired by Bain Capital, KKR, and Vornado Realty Trust for more than $6 billion. In 2010, they began their filing process for an IPO, but scrapped those plans in 2013. And remember, in 2015, they did close their flagship retail store. Now, Toys R Us says all of its company rewards and loyalty programs and its gift cards will continue to operate and be valid as they use more than $3 billion in bankruptcy financing to continue their operations. But despite those assurances, we did run into some customers this morning that were rushing here to use those gift cards on this news.
We basically came here today to finish off using all of our gift cards. Rumor has it that Toys R Us is claiming bankruptcy, and once that happens, our gift cards go to a $0 balance.
So Toys R Us does join, of course, other big retailers like Payless and Radio Shack in recently filing for bankruptcy. And of course, the elephant in the room is Amazon. Their overall toy sales grew by 24% last year, as opposed to just 5% for the toy industry as a whole. That's according to analytics firm One Click Retail. Carl, back over to you.
Yeah, interesting to watch Hasbro and Mattel stock, Kate, up today almost 2%. I assume because that dip financing is going to mean they can continue to move their goods through Toys R Us going into the season.
Yeah, absolutely. Those are two of their biggest creditors, Carl. And again, just to reiterate the point, when we did speak to that company spokesperson this morning, she said despite the report in the Wall Street Journal that they were not yet planning any store closures and that they were going to continue to hire throughout the holiday season and reach more than 100,000 employees. So we'll have to see where that goes. Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.